Hey guys, welcome back. I'm Dr. Jemmy and this video is for students who are about to give the next exam. Without much further ado, let's get started. Next, National Exit Test for MBBS is a common exam for the Indian medical graduates as well as foreign medical graduate, and it will replace the entrance exams like NEET PG, INI-CET and also licensing exam like FMGE, that is Foreign Medical Graduate Exam. It's proposed to be implemented from the year 2023. So, what do we know about the exam? I do not want to jump into details because it's just a draft that is proposed by the National Medical Commission of India, that is NMC, and it might undergo changes in the near future. So, just giving you a rough idea and all the important aspects which you must know to kickstart your preparations. The next exam is going to be divided into two steps. We are going to have next one and next two. Next one is a theoretical exam which you're supposed to give after the final year of your MBBS, that is before starting your internship. And next two is going to be a practical exam after completing your internship. It's going to be a pass or fail exam which is being conducted by your university. The score of next one will also serve as a base for admission into PG courses in India. Next one is going to be MCQ based exam. There are going to be 540 MCQs in total. It's a 3-day long exam. On day 1 you'll have medicine and allied subjects pre-lunch. Post-lunch you'll have pediatrics. On day 2 you'll have surgery pre-lunch. Post-lunch ENT. And on day 3 you'll have OB-GYN pre-lunch. Post-lunch ophthalmology. The duration is going to be 3 hours for pre-lunch and 1.5 hours post-lunch, and the marks are going to be 120 marks for the 3-hour long exam and 60 marks for 1.5 hours long exam, that is post-lunch exam. For all the foreign medical graduates, that is students who will be completing their MBBS course from abroad, there will also be an extra paper which will include all the pre as well as paraclinical subjects. I mean anatomy, biochemistry, physiology, pharmacology, pathology as well as microbiology and PSM. There are a lot of uncertainties about the exam. Say for example, we are not sure about the negative markings for the foreign medical graduates because it's also going to serve as a screening test for them about the number of attempts, etc. But keeping all that in mind, it's best to start preparing for the exam rather than worrying about all the other things with the details that we have as of now. It's really important after seeing the recent changing patterns of questions that you start integrating your subject. It's very important to have an integrated knowledge of all the subjects. Honestly, after completing my FMG exam, I mean June 2021 FMG exam, when I came out of the exam hall, I was not sure if the question was from a particular subject because there were a lot of integrated questions in the paper. Only after a certain time I could analyze that, all the questions were integrated with each other. Gone are those days when the questions used to be like one-liners and fact-based. All the questions now being asked are clinically oriented concepts. So it's really important that you stop memorizing the facts and start understanding your study material. From the pattern that is being given, it's obvious that the major portion of the question is going to be clinically based scenarios. So it's really important that you start practicing more and more clinical based scenarios while you start preparing for the exam. Practicing clinical based scenarios not only help you to crack the exam and help you to orient yourself for the exams, but it will also help you to handle the situations better once you become a doctor. If you do not have enough clinical exposures abroad, my advice is whenever you come home for vacations, whenever you come back to India, start visiting the nearby clinics and start observing. It will help you to develop your practical skills, and it's really important to have practical skills as the next two is going to be a practical exam. And also, practical things will give you an extra edge for your preparations because it will help you understand your materials better in a conceptual way. If you take a look at the recent year's papers, say NEET PG, INI CET, or even FMG, for instance, June 2021 FMG had many lengthy clinical scenarios. Each question was like 10 lines long, and also with integrated concepts. So already the examiners have started giving you clues of how the next exam is going to be patterned, so make use of them. Finally, before concluding this video, let me tell you this. As a medical student, all our lives have been filled with hundreds of exams, so it's nothing new for us, and don't panic, just relax, give in your 100% and I'm sure you'll crack it. If you found this video helpful, like, share and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. If you have any doubts, you can always leave it in the comment section below. Bye guys, see you soon.